Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon grilled cheese. First, cook your bacon to a perfect crispness. Lay out several strips of bacon in a cold pan, then turn the heat to medium-low. This allows the fat to render slowly, resulting in evenly cooked, crispy bacon. Once cooked, remove the bacon and drain it on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb any extra grease. This step is crucial for a non-soggy sandwich. Now let's assemble our masterpiece. Butter one side of each slice of bread, ensuring full coverage for that beautiful golden crust. Place one slice, butter side down, in a pan over medium heat. Layer your favorite cheese, then add a generous amount of your perfectly cooked bacon. Top with more cheese, and finally, the second slice of bread, butter side up. This layering ensures maximum melty goodness. Grilling is where the magic happens. Cook your sandwich over medium-low heat. This allows the bread to toast slowly to a beautiful golden brown and the cheese to melt completely without burning. After about 3 to 4 minutes, carefully flip the sandwich. Continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes until the second side is golden and the cheese is wonderfully gooey. Press down gently with a spatula for even cooking. Once both sides are golden and the cheese is perfectly melted, remove your bacon grilled cheese from the pan. For a classic touch, slice it diagonally. This makes it easier to eat and showcases the delicious layers inside. Serve immediately to enjoy the warm, crispy bread, savory bacon, and gooey cheese. It's truly the only way to make this classic. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.